let's solve equations with exponents using the odd root property and the even root property. So another type of equation we can solve is one with exponents. And we can clear exponents by using roots. So this is done with very few unexpected results when the exponent is odd. We solve these problems very straightforward using the odd root property. So the odd root property states that if a to the power of n equals b, then a is just equal to the nth root of b, provided that n is odd. Okay, let's try an example here where the root is odd, or an odd root. So let's try this one. Example, x to the 5th equals 32. Okay. So we, in this case, since our root is 5 and 5 is odd, an odd number, so we use the odd root property. So we just simplify the roots here. Okay. So we get the 5th root of x to the 5th and the 5th root of 32. So the 5th root of x to the 5th is just x, and the 5th root of 32 is just equal to 2, because you can write 32 as 2 to the 5th. So our solution is equal to 2. However, when the exponent is even, we will have two results from taking an even root of both sides. So one will be positive and one will be negative. This is because both, say for example, 3 squared equals 9, and say 3 squared, for example, is equal to 9, and negative 3 squared is also equal to 9. So when solving x squared equals 9, then we will have two solutions, one positive and one negative. So the solution for this will be x equals 3 and x is equal to negative 3. So the even root property states that if a to the n is equal to b, then a is equal to plus minus the nth root of b when n is even. So let's try this example here. X to the 4th equals 16. So since 4 is an even number, so we use the even root property. So we get the root of this one. We simplify the roots. So 4th root of x to the 4th is equal to the 4th root of 16. So this is just equal to x, and then this is plus minus 2. Okay, because you can write square root of 16 to the 4th. Since our root here, root here is even, then we have two solutions, positive and negative. So our answer is x equals 2 and x is equal to negative 2. Okay, let's try another example here. So what if we were given 2x plus 4 squared equals 36? So our exponent here is 2 and 2 is even, so we use the even root property. That means we have two solutions. So we simplify the roots. Okay, 2x plus 4. Okay, square root of 2x plus 4 squared, and then square root of 36. Okay, this is plus minus, and then this is just equal to 2x plus 4 equals 36 is square root of 36 is 6, and then we simplify. We get we subtract 4 from both sides, so we get 2x because this cancels out, and then we have plus minus 6 minus 4, and then we divide. Okay, we can simplify this. So we have 2x equals 6 minus 4, and then the other one, or 2x equals negative 6 minus 4. So this is 2x equals 2. X is equal to, dividing both sides by 2, x equals 1. And then this one is 2x equals negative 10. Dividing both sides by 2, x is equal to negative 5. So our solutions here are x equals 1 or x equals negative 5. So